Hello, fourth graders. We are going to start our second to last spelling list for the school year. And this is going to be sort 27, and we are going to be studying the R influence vowel sound in the first syllable of all of these words. So our syllables we are looking for are E, I, and U, and there will be two oddballs. So I need you to get 4 colors for this sort so that we can begin. The first pattern that I am going to study is the ER, sound. Sound with ER. So I'm going to pick my first color, which I can do pink. And the header that you have as an example is nervous. In the first syllable, nervous, ER. And there are going to be 2, 4, 6 other words that fit this spelling pattern and sort. So the first word we can find is person. Person. The person across the street. Person. Sound with ER. The next word that you can find right below that to the left is perfect. Perfect. ER in the first syllable. Perfect. Our third word is going to be certain. I am certain that we will get an A on this test. ER, certain, sound, first syllable ER. Our next word is going to be mermaid. The mermaid in the ocean, mermaid. ER, first syllable. Our next word will be perhaps. Perhaps we can go outside today. Perhaps, first syllable. And the last word in this sort is going to be service. We are learning about a job service in social studies. ER, first syllable. Service. I'm going to pick a new color for my second sort, which is in the first syllable, but spelled IR. A different pattern. Same sound first syllable. The example header that they give us is 30. 30. There are going to be 5 other words that belong in this sort. The first word I can find is firmly. Please firmly press your thumb down. Firmly. The next word that I can see that follows this pattern is dirty. Please wash your hands. They are dirty. IR. The next word is going to be birthday. Birthday. When is your birthday? First syllable, IR pattern. I'm going to underline that and add that to our sort. The next word we have is thirsty. I am very thirsty for juice. First syllable, IR. And our last word in this category would be bird bath. Bird bath, first syllable. I'm going to pick my third color for the last R influence vowel category, spelled UR. So I'm going to go purple for this, and the example header that they give us is sturdy. This table is very sturdy. UR, first syllable. There are 8 words in this category. Purpose. What is the purpose of studying? UR. Further. Please move further in line. Hurry. Hurry up before we fall behind. Hurry. Purple. sound, which is this color of our header, purple, turtle. We helped the turtle cross the road. Sound, furnish. I would like to furnish our new home. Furnish. Sound. During. I ate popcorn during the movie. And our last one out of these three left is going to be Thursday. Thursday with a capital. Be sure to spell it with a capital on the test because it is a proper noun. A day of the week. Thursday. Which means the last two left are oddballs. They don't follow the sound in the first syllable. So I'm going to pick blue. Thursday was supposed to be purple. There we go. Our oddball, spirit, ear. This has an ear sound. That's not going to work. That doesn't match the pattern. Ear sounds like ear, spirit. And every has a short vowel sound. Every. That does not fit. Even the ER doesn't fit our pattern. So those are your two oddballs. Your test is going to look like this, 1 to 15 spelled correctly and also sorted correctly as well. As I'm grading our tests, I see that we need more practice sorting our words. So be sure as you're practicing your spelling activities during guided reading to practice spelling them and sorting them into the correct categories. Now that you're finished, you need to cut your words out and do a speed sort and start your spelling study for the next 2 weeks. If you have any questions, raise your hand and ask your teacher, and I will see you in 2 weeks. Good luck.